His Eminence the Sultan of Sokoto has been narrating this story of the family of the Sultan sending gallons of fura every week to General Yakubu Gawan in Dodam Barracks. Because of the trust and confidence, General Gawan was willingly, without any suspicion. But now, the game is different. Suspicion smears our relationships, and it ought not to be. We are essentially one people tied to a common destiny. And lastly, permit me to pay tribute to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on a similar episode. When we were campaigning for him to emerge as the aspirant of the APC, we were going around the north. You know, we the people of Borno, unlike the Sokoto people, we are the best dressed northerners. So I got some Wagambali materials and caps for him to blend with the northern crowd. So it fitted him very well. So his aides were saying, please produce more. It fitted him. Barely 3 months when we were sworn into office, some of my people from Borno came to him and said, please stop wearing those Shettima clothes. He must have charmed them, and you are going to die, and he will become the president. Just barely 3 months, and to the eternal credit of the president, when I came back from China, where I represented him at the Bells and Roads Initiative conference, he said, sit down. Your people came to me and said, I should stop wearing those dresses you gave me. But he said their story did not add up, because when you gave me those dresses, I was an aspirant. I wasn't the candidate. Neither were you the vice presidential candidate. For 1 week, to prove to them that he is not pettish, he wore those dresses. These are some of the gimmicks that is taking place in power cycles in Nigeria nowadays. I want to thank you. Some few weeks back, I was opportune to be a party to a meeting of Plateau elders with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. There is a substantial Plateau presence here. I urge you, I beseech you, I beg you in the name of God, for the sake of the last man standing, let us unite as a people. As Martin Luther King said, let us learn to live together as brothers or perish together as fools. To say that I was disappointed by that encounter is an understatement. I am a Kanuri man from Borno. Half of the people of Central Plateau are claiming descent from Borno. Moshere, the Ronkushere, and 11 other allied tribes, the Magapal, the Ngas, the Bogom, are all claiming descent from Borno. In the Ngas language, the name for head is Kla. In the Kanuri language is Kla. The name for leg in the Ngas language is Shi. In the Kanuri language is Shi. How are you? Aye is the same in Ngas and is the same in Kanuri. Some of the major dramatists personae in the episodes in Plateau are the Biroms. And the Biroms are claiming ancestry from Gobir. And if you take the picture of His Eminence, the Sultan of Sokoto, and juxtapose it with that of His Royal Highness the Bongomjo, there is a remarkable resemblance, which shows that they are essentially the same people. I urge you, the people of Plateau, as a tribute to the last man standing, let us unite and face our challenges of poverty, insecurity, and destitution. We are all stakeholders in this project. We have to make peace, because there can never be development without peace, and there can never be peace without development. The proverbial Garden of Eden that Plateau is can generate billions in floriculture for the nation. There are certain crops that are unique to Plateau. We can grow avocados for export. who can expand the Jos Airport, who can grow flowers. We can even grow coffee. There is a Moishai coffee that is domiciled in Plateau. So Your Excellencies, Your Royal Highnesses, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Nigeria is a great country.
Of Nigeria, His Excellency Senator Kashim Shettima. For the national anthem to kickstart. Let me appreciate as I invite Professor Mohammed, Reverend Odutola,